Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to recover deleted photos in iPhone. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on your gallery photos. Okay, then choose your any image. Okay, then click and tap on delete. Okay, these photos deleted. Okay, then delete and recover deleted photos in iPhone. Okay, then scroll down and tap on recently deleted option. Just click. Okay, view album and these photos, just click, tap on recover, then recover photo, just click, these photos recover. That's all to recover deleted photos in iPhone. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.